In this question, a car travels with velocity which is 3 meters per second. This is initial velocity u. The car accelerates so a uniformly, which it means that there's a constant acceleration in a straight line for a distance 15 meters. The value of the distance, which is already 15, which is simpled by s. Final velocity is 5, which is v. So now we have u, which is 3 meters second minus 1. V equals 5 meters second minus 1. Displacement equals 15 meters. The formula for calculating the acceleration, v square equals u square plus 2as. Rearrange the equation first. V square minus u square equals 2as. To get the value of the acceleration, divide this side by 2s and the other side by 2s as well. So acceleration equals v square minus u square divided by 2s, which is a equals v square, it's 5 square minus 3 square for initial speed divided by 2 times the value of displacement, which is 15. The correct answer for question 7, definitely it's D.